Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in this video I'll be talking about the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I'm going to be reviewing this serum and I'm going to let you know how to incorporate this serum into your skincare routine, let you know the skin type that it's most suitable for. It comes in a plastic airtight container that has a pump, and this costs £23. Here are the key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, ceramides, vitamin B5. Hyaluronic acid is known to hold up to 1,000 times of its weight in water. Ceramides are lipids which protect the skin barrier. Then vitamin B5, which is panthenol, which helps to hydrate and soothe the skin. Moving on to consistency. The consistency of this serum is lightweight and gel-like. Here's how to incorporate this serum into your skincare routine. The first step is to use a gentle cleanser to cleanse your skin. Afterwards, if you have a toner, use your toner, then proceed to applying your serum. So you can add a few drops of this serum, put it on your palm, pat it onto the face, allow it to fully absorb, then you follow up with your moisturizer and then your broad spectrum SPF. CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum is suitable for all skin types, from oily skin to dry skin, combination skin to sensitive skin. For dry skin, it helps to hydrate, keep it plump. Then when used on oily skin, it would help with hydration as well, but because it is non-greasy, it is very suitable, very amazing for oily skin. And then for sensitive skin, because it contains gentle and non-irritating ingredients, and so it promotes skin healing and then it also protects the skin. And then for aging skin, it boosts moisture retention and it reduces the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. This can be used 2 times daily, in the daytime and then nighttime. But if you notice that your skin is suddenly irritated, you can reduce the application to say once daily. But if you find out that you react to it, then honestly stop using it. In summary, whether you're struggling with dryness or you want to maintain your skin's moisture level, this serum is a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Have you tried this serum before, or are you considering incorporating it into your skincare routine? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video really helpful, if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. With all that being said, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.